in the CBD industry. As CBD has become more popular, you can now find it in all kinds of places, including stores, farmers markets, and even gas stations. But just because a product is labeled as CBD doesn't mean it's safe or effective. You should always purchase your CBD products from reputable sources to ensure that you're getting a high-quality product that's worth your money. Your wellness is one of the biggest reasons why the CBD you buy matters. A lot of companies lie about how much CBD is in their oils. These products are ineffective at best and dangerous at worst. Choosing high-quality products that are tested rigorously will give you the best possible results. That's why at Nature's Ultra, we test for potency and purity multiple times, and we're completely transparent with the test results. It's also important to consider the legality of CBD products. Some CBD products contain THC, which is the psychoactive compound of the cannabis plant that can cause euphoric side effects. Products that contain more than a very small amount of THC are illegal federally and in many states, and using them can have legal consequences. That's why it's essential to buy CBD products that are legal to purchase and use. At Nature's Ultra, we're dedicated to legally providing our CBD products to as many people as possible. Our CBD is sourced from hemp, not marijuana, and all of our products test negative for THC. You can rest easy knowing that all of our products are federally legal and available in most states. There are a few red flags you should look for when buying CBD, including ambiguity. Some companies are dodgy when it comes to the ingredients they use, whether it's the CBD itself, the carrier oil in their products, or any essential oils they use. This is a sign that the product may not be what it appears to be. At Nature's Ultra, we use only the best ingredients, so we're completely transparent about our products and where they come from. Pricing is also important to consider. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Keep in mind that a product that contains a higher concentration of CBD will cost more than a product with a lower concentration of CBD. Adding high-quality essential oils makes a product more potent, so that's going to impact the price as well. A super low price is a sign that the product is not a premium offering. It may not be pure, potent, or effective. Be careful to do your research rather than letting a low price entice you into making a purchase.
Thanks so much for watching this CBD 101 episode. As always, please sure to comment below. Love to hear your thoughts. And if you have any other questions, feel free to jump over to naturesultra.com and check out our blog. And we're looking forward to see you next time.